Hello, everybody. I'm having some trouble with my Samsung Chromebook, and I'm trying to fix it for the first time. So stay with me. This is what I learned from the internet and from whatever that you turn your Chromebook on. What it's doing is it's just sticking with this Chrome screen and not going anywhere. It blinks and it either turns off or either it stays like this. So what we're gonna do is first you hit you gotta press the escape, the refresh button, and you turn it off. The next time it turns on, it goes to the recovery mode. I hope you can see it. It goes to this recovery mode. All right. So this is the screen you want, and this is the model number which is gonna give you. Depends on which Chromebook you is giving me Winky E2A whatever it is. So it's giving me this Chromebook number. So just write down this number, and this is the first step. Second step is we got to download the recovery. We're gonna make the recovery disk. So just write down the model number on your screen and hold on to it. And I'll show you next what to do with it. Now what I'm gonna do is now I'm using my Windows computer. What I have to do was to find a hard drive more than 4 GB. So I luckily found a 7 GB hard drive, and which I'm using to create a recovery disk. Okay, what we're gonna do is make sure you have Chrome. That'll be a lot easier. So if you are using the Windows, just download the Google Chrome and just write recovery Chrome recovery utility app. So it's gonna give you the options to download the Chrome Recovery Utility app. You're gonna hit that app. It says launch app, but if you are installing it first time, it says add app to the Chrome. So once you add app to the Chrome, it's gonna launch automatically, or you can from that Chrome store on your computer, you can hit launch app right here. So when I hit the launch app, what it's gonna do, because I'm already in the progress of making a disk, so it's gonna launch from where I'm right now doing. But hold on, once I finish this, I'm gonna get back to you on how to do it. So once you've installed the recovery utility app, you just hit the launch. So it's gonna say 4 GB hard drive, whatever, and do not take it out and everything, whatever, and get started. Once you get started, here is the code for the model number that you got from your Chromebook. You're gonna put it here. Once you put it here, it's gonna recognize the Chrome system you have. Select the model. Select the model from the list. Model not found yet. I probably misspelled it. WINK. Winky space. So it's gonna found the match. So it says Google Chromebook whatever, and then you're gonna put the rest of the model number in. I say continue, but once you put the rest of the model number in, you're gonna say it continue. It's gonna be start to make the utility drive for you. So you're gonna hit OK, and it's gonna automatically do the utility, make the installation for the recovery image in the USB drive. And once you do it, you just eject your USB drive and put that in your Chromebook. I've just inserted this USB drive in there. As soon as I've inserted it, I think my screen went blank, and here we go. It's ready. As soon as I've inserted it, we don't have to do nothing, just turn it on and it's done. It's already verifying the integrity of the recovery media. Hopefully it'll be all safe and we'll get through this part, and it's gonna go back, restart as normal, and you fixed it. So at least we got past this point, which is a very good enough success for me. I'm trying it for the first time, so I'm kind of a little happy about it. So I'll pause the video for a little while and see if it goes through. So that you would know that if it works in the same video, you don't have to wait for the next one. And yes, I've been waiting on this. It's been going on, and it's already recovering. The system is recovering. Sorry, I'm making this video from the cell phone, and I have to focus it again and again. But the system recovery is in progress. It'll take a few minutes. Do not turn your computer off, and I'm just waiting. So I didn't literally have to do anything. Just make the discovery disk from this laptop, because normally the laptop is a Windows. So once you can use it for a Chromebook, so I could understand that most of the people would have the Windows computer easily available. So that's why I did that on Windows. So you just have to download the Google Chrome Discovery Utility app, make your disk, make sure you have the exact software for the recovery disk. Once you turn on this computer in the programming mode, that is escape, refresh, and turn on power button. So it's gonna go into the programming mode, and it's gonna give you a code that is gonna put that in the recovery system software. Once the disk is made and completed, just put that, insert that drive in your Chromebook, and just turn it on. It's gonna automatically do everything. So it took about 15 minutes doing this recovery. Whole process probably took 30 minutes, including making the creating this drive, the recovery drive, and then putting it on. So it says, please remove the recovery drive and the system will start. So the system recovery has been completed. So I'm gonna do that in live, so you guys can see it. I'm gonna remove the recovery media. Of course, I don't have a saved removal option here, so I'm gonna remove this drive from here, and now it's automatically turned on. And I hope it works. Here we go. So we are able to recover this without losing any data. Let's go. It is actually gone back to the restart setting, so I'm hoping I haven't lost any data on it. So let me figure this out and I'll let you know. Yes, it did update the latest version of the Android for the Chromebook I had, but unfortunately, there were few files in the documents section that are gone. So your data would be erased if there's anything, any files or anything on your drive. It'll be automatically be erased. But normally, if you have the cloud, you're using the cloud or a backup, Google backup, I don't think that's going to be an issue. But well, we got it set up. That was the point. But if there's any file or anything, make sure you have a backup on your Google Drive or any external hard drive. So if you have to recover it, you know you have a backup for everything. So here we go. I'm glad the mission successful. Anything I did wrong and you know it better, please put down in the subscription so we would know. But I think we did a good job. Thank you.